Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions review of the new Rare Beauty product, and it is the Positive Light Liquid Luminizer. So I got this one in the shade Flaunt. I thought that maybe this would match my skin tone a bit better than the other ones. It's like a bronze gold color. So I really like the packaging. It's got some like ridges on it, which is really nice. I love the simplicity of it. The font color is very nice. It does have a little like sticker on it to keep it enclosed, but I'm just gonna open it from the bottom because there's no sticker there. The lining of it is this plum maroon color. Very nice. Anyways, so this is the bottle. Very pretty. I love the, you know, like it's a nude pink color, very soft, delicate looking, little ball at the top. It's kind of got this modern look to it. The text is in gold, name of it at the bottom. So I'm just gonna turn this. Ooh. It's got a very thick brush. Okay, so first thing to note, I am not a makeup beauty guru by any chance. Yes, I have done some makeup videos in the past. It hasn't really been my focus since then, but I do like trying out new products, and I don't really wear a highlighter. I have this one like strobe stick that I bought for Halloween that I use every so often from a few years ago. I should probably get rid of that, but anyways, I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand to show you. So I haven't dipped it in. That's like the product that was there. Ooh. Now that is really pretty. Oh, okay. So I don't know much about highlighters, so for someone who doesn't know much about it, I think this looks really pretty. It's very soft. It's light. You're supposed to just stick this on your face. So I'll do this side with the stick, and then this one I'm just gonna use the product that's on here because that's kind of a waste. I'm just gonna dab. Ooh. 3 dots on here, and I'm taking the finger that doesn't have any product on it and just dabbing it in. Ooh. I might have put a little too much product. It's very smooth and like silky feeling. Ooh. Oh. Okay, so I've obviously put too much product, but hey, if you like lots of highlighter, then by all means. I'm just using the fingers that don't have anything. Okay, so this is the side that doesn't have anything. It does have like a bronzy color. I just now use the product that is on my hand, so I kind of have one from earlier when I swatched it, and I'm just gonna dab it lightly on. So this is less product. Can you guys see that? This one I think I went a little too far down. It's like below my cheekbone here at this point. Yeah, so I went too far down, but anyways. Do we see any of the highlight? Did I put enough? It's very subtle. So this is when you put a lot of product on. This is when you put very little. I think I'm gonna put just a little bit more. So I'm just tapping it on my back of my hand here. And I'm using the viewfinder, so that's why I'm looking up a lot and not directly at the lens. Either I put way too much product on this side and then like barely any on this side. I just want to keep applying more, and maybe I'm just blind. So very little bit on. Okay, so I do see it. Too much on the side, but guys, I think, you know, for someone who doesn't really use highlighters, this is nice. Maybe I should have gone a shade lighter. Maybe this is too dark for me, but I just like the look of like bronze products a lot of time, and maybe this is almost too close to bronzer on me. And maybe if I had a bit more of a tan. This is so funny, there's a lot on the side. If you just put a little bit, it's not bad. This is too much. I'm gonna try putting some on my nose. Like, oh, that's cute. It's kind of got like a Tinkerbell look to it. That might be too much. Now I kind of look like a deer. So obviously I need to play around with this stuff more. Some on the bridge. Can we see that? I don't know. I just wanted to test out a product. I like it. Would I recommend this? I'd say yeah, why not test it out? I think that I like how it's such lightweight and it's easy to apply. You can tell it's like a really beautiful color. It's really smooth. And honestly, I feel like I should wear this as like an eyeshadow. Maybe could try that. And maybe I'd put some like right here. This is just too much, so don't put three big dabs on. I think that's just too much. But if you like that look, then by all means. But yeah, I think the color is nice. I do like it. It is cruelty free, which is amazing. I don't wear any foundation. I have a little bit of bronzer on because the lighting here will wash out my face otherwise. But aside from that, there's no other products except for like here. So this has just been basically gone on my skin. So if you guys like this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Click on that subscribe button so you guys can see more and be notified when I upload videos. Thanks so much for watching.